and today on the Yeti, I'm with a friend that you haven't seen before. We've filmed videos with him before, but they never end up getting posted, either because I'm too busy, he has to leave, or something like that, you know. But this time, he's staying the night, and we're going to the monster truck, so say hi to the viewers.
What's good, viewers? And it's your boy, Logan.
He's Logan Webb. I'm Enoch Murphy.
And also we're gonna be going to the Monster Jam, and we might go inside. So stay tuned to that, and we'll come to you posted after we get there.
So another thing, we're not sure if we're gonna ride in the monster truck, but we're pretty sure we're gonna ride in the monster truck. So I'll check it if we don't, but most likely we are. I'm gonna try to document as much as possible. And the only reason why I wouldn't be able to is either I forget to, or my phone's at low battery, but it's at 100 right now, so that shouldn't be a problem.
So we'll see you at the Monster Jam.
Ooh. Okay, so we're just now leaving to the monster trucks, and it's gonna be most likely a pretty long line, but I want to see the monster trucks, so we're going.
And also, if we get the pig, we're gonna pick the what was it again?
Identity theft.
Yeah, the identity theft.
Because there's races and demolition derby and stuff, so you have to like choose one that you want to win, and then also there's a chance that we get to ride in one. If we get to ride in one, we're definitely choosing identity theft because apparently it drives the craziest. That's just what I remember from 2nd grade. But that was 2 years ago. It's still probably the same driver, but yeah. We just showed up. It's actually pretty windy. Now I'm happy that I have this a sweatshirt because back at home it wasn't windy, so I just had shorts and a t-shirt. But yeah.
Ask your dad.
No.
Yeah.
We both have $8.
Yeah.
So
we're sharing.
Yeah. So we're sharing $8 because we were gonna share $10, but turns out they raised the price of tickets.
Yeah.
But it's still enough to get a snack. But yeah, that's all for now. Okay. What you're hearing right now is the people getting rides in the monster truck. But the actual show's starting in I think 5 minutes, right, Logan? Yeah, 5-10 minutes. My grandma's over getting us food. But Logan, what are we gonna do at halftime?
We're gonna be riding monster trucks, pretty sure.
I'll show you which one we're riding in.
I know.
We're riding in this one right here. We're riding in that one right there, and it's gonna be super fun. So yeah.
Sponsored by Booze Line Products, Jack's Wax, and Performance Plus. From Hucktuya, California. Ladies, swipe right for Mark Simon and California Kid. Coming up next, next, it is the young gun, the rookie looking to make a name for himself. And the 2008 Chevy Silverado sponsored by Logan, Dart Engine Components and Permatex. From Barstow, California, looking to flex his Napa know-how. Let's make some noise for Michael Keller and Napa Auto Care. You'll swear you've seen this truck before. Aqua batteries, Kinetic gaskets, and K&N filters bring us the legendary 1952 Chevy panel truck from Colfax Correctional Facility. It is the black and green destruction machine of Miles Parker and identity theft. Coming up next, it's the deadliest creature from the desert. He's a clicking button, the truck shuts off by remote. That's a successful Tesla RII. That means Mark Simonin and California Kid is ready to go. The question is, Crescent City, are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's get quick.
Look at this guy. Bro's not even in a named car. So they just smashed him. The brand. Not the cool guy. Literally no one's rooting for him.
Coming up next, it is the rookie, the young gun, Buddha Keller and Napa Auto Care. Buddha Keller and Napa Auto Care. He's gonna try and beat a score of 24. He's got 3.
He can do it.
To beat what California Kid just did.
Oh yeah. Watch this. Ready? Watch this. We're going in the middle. What's he doing?
Judges, show your scores for Buddha Keller and Napa Auto Care.
Dude, the only people that I care about is identity theft and the roster. Identity theft and the roster are competitors. So won last year, identity theft won the year before, and it keeps going like that. Like they always win.
Coming up next, from Cape Town, South Africa, let's make some noise for Gavin Sale and Spitfire! Last night's overall win champion. Let's see if Spitfire has what it takes to go California machine, Miles Parker and Identity Theft. Identity Theft and Miles Parker looking to beat a score of 25.
Guys, is it okay if we move a little bit over there? Thank you, sorry.
25 out of a possible 30-point score is a score to beat as Miles Parker and Identity Theft.
Looking at you.
He's got one more to go.
Go middle, go middle.
Let's make some noise for Miles Parker and Identity Theft.
But still pretty cool though, right? Yeah. Okay, ready?
I know we don't want him to win,
Your
but he
final
actually has
contender up in Monster Truck Gas Trick Competition. It's Nick Jones and Rockstar.
He went the wrong way. Yeah, this way, this way. Actually, no, actually, actually, no, actually. He's coming out.
What's coming out?
You'll see.
What is this?
Rexy.
You're just straight up. Is he a race player?
Rexy. Puppy over there. Look, look, look. Let's get close, let's get close.
On a peaceful island lived a colony of people whose lives were disrupted by animal mutations in the form of gigantic man-eating creatures.
Imagine something gets just destroyed.
Imagine this blows up.
10,000 pounds.
Dude, who's volunteering their car?
From the Jurassic Age.
Oh my god, this girl just put her flag in the
Millions of
side.
years and were somehow revived.
She's trying to move. This girl just put her
Researchers
flag
theorized
in the
that
way of my
this
camera.
rebirth was triggered
That's like
by
illegal.
testing of atomic bombs and radioactive fallout. This
Yo,
was a
dude,
piece of
who's volunteering?
humanity,
Who's
so
volunteering?
weapons
Who's
allowed
volunteering their
no
car?
match against the gigantic carnivorous creatures. With no time to spare, the island leaders quickly commissioned their scientists and engineers to come up with a solution to eliminate these deadly man-eaters. This was to be no easy task, considering the limited resources available on the island. At one time, a sunken Navy transport ship was discovered offshore in shallow waters. In the hull, numerous old military vehicles were found. This discovery would prove to be just what was needed. Plans were drawn, and the
Why
construction
is he getting so
began.
close?
Realizing that they needed something that possessed superior strength, the engineers began the task of constructing two power monsters. The metal marvels began to take shape, and after long hours and hard work, Megasaurus and Transaurus were born. These mechanical beasts stood over 30 stories tall and weighed 50,000 pounds. 1,000 feet of veins and arteries fed their mechanical hearts, pumping at 50 gallons per minute. Their blood pressure exceeded 2,500 pounds per square inch, giving them 5 tons of crushing force in each of their mammoth claws. They could lift 30,000 pounds to their gigantic mouths.
Wait, so your name is
Jaws attaining
the feet?
15,000 pounds of biting force. To ensure total destruction, each power monster was equipped with 200,000
Seriously
BTUs
though.
of burning.
Burn it alive.
You got
You're doing head to head. Hurry up! We want Spitfire.
Spitfire! Wait, what are they doing?
In the far lane, who thinks your winner is going to be Buddha Keller and Napa Auto Care?
Well, right now we're watching this.
And in the near lane, who thinks your winner is going to be Gavin Sell and Spitfire? Spitfire versus Napa Auto Care. Let's see who it's going to be.
Wait, like, are they gonna kill it?
The drivers are staging ready. Here we go! Spitfire leads out in the turn. Your winner is Napa Auto Care.
Why did you do that? He did. He would have won, but then he did donut.
Napa Auto Care, Buddha Keller takes the win. He'll advance to our second semi-final heat.
So I started doing donuts, knocking on my taunting. But
Monster
then
Truck Racing Competition brought to us by your local Les Schwab Tire. Like and tag our social media pages. Comment on
I
our
didn't
wall.
think that's his racing.
Share
We
your
already know
photos
that
and
he's
videos
fat.
of tonight's Monster Truck
I didn't
action.
think he's
And you
fat.
can be the winner of a special prize. Once again, those social media pages to tag are Straight Up Racing and Malicious Monster Truck Tour on Facebook.com.
Go on Facebook. Identity theft!
Hey, you're cheating. You're too close. You're too close. Back up. Yeah, too close. No, now you're too far back. Scoot up.
In the far lane, who thinks your winner is going to be Mark Simonin and California Kid?
We need to him.
And in the near lane, who thinks your winner is going to be Miles Parker and Identity Theft?
Yeah!
Identity Theft versus California Kid.
Hey, you're cheating.
All right, the drivers are ready. The light goes green.
Oh, yeah.
A photo finish race right there between Identity Theft and California Kid. As the officials review the finish, it is close. Your winner is Identity Theft. Identity Theft taking the win by a crux.
Rob, so you better win or else you're sleeping on the couch tonight.
Okay.
Your
You better
drivers
win or
are
else you're
ready.
sleeping on the couch tonight.
And they're off. Another photo finish. Another photo finish race right there.
I know.
As our officials review the finish line. Your winner is Rockstar! Rockstar barely takes the win, taking down California Kid in monster truck racing competition from your local Les Schwab Tires.
Off the monster truck. Pretty lit. Brought my heartbeat pretty high, but yeah, we're gonna leave soon. So yeah, that's all I got for now. Okay, we just left the fairgrounds and it was pretty good. We looked at some license plates at the end, and we saw some people that came from like Virginia, Washington, someone all the way from Europe, right? Remember that European? It was pretty cool, but we're heading back. Make sure to like, subscribe, to never miss another Yeti video. But until then, peace.